Hello. Hello, all my listeners. This is CEO, CTO of Satellite Streaming Servers Incorporated. And right now I'm just gonna um kind of kind of guide you through the login as you log into Certificast, and if you have just to give more insight of more of the features of Centova Cast. Okay, first I'm gonna do this on my mobile device, so that's it's probably the easiest way to do this. Um, okay, yeah. First, let me log out. So when you log in, you're gonna see this. This is what you can see when you log in to. Oh, before you log in, to CentovaCast. So so when you log in, oh, actually, I'm logged into the main control panel. So let me just log into one of the accounts here. Let's just give it an idea what it looks like. Okay, now when you log into CentovaCast, you're going to see on the Generals tab, you're going to see the overview, quick links, configuration, static, server, auto DJ, and session. What does all that mean? Well, pretty much when you go to your overview, so this is what you'll see on all your overview. It's just pretty much when you first log in. That's just what you'll see when your station's online. Sorry about that. When your station's online, you log in. That's your overview. This is what you'll see when you first log in. So this is your overview, and you will see a list of things: tracks playing, your current listeners, your data transfer, your disk usage, and the three icons: servers online, DJs online, and audio source. That's pretty much what the overview is. Then quick links. Now, when you click the quick links, this is pretty much your informational page for your radio station. So, okay, under your quick links, your stream start page would be on top, and then the second would be your streaming servers index page, HTML, and then your tuning links. Say you could tune in from. This is what it looks like, but it'd be told the URL is going to be different if you sign up. So, don't try to copy this because it's not going to work. Because most of them you need a password to operate any of it. But Winamp, iTunes, Windows Mini Player, Real Player, and QuickTime. And then your live source connection details. This is what you can go live when you have. Oh, sorry about that. When you have the auto DJ enabled, so when the auto DJ is running and you want to broadcast live to all DJ controlled mount point, you enter all this information like the protocol, shoutcast v1, the host name, the server port, the bit rate, and then the username and password, and one of your DJ accounts separated by colon. And usually, It has to be, example, like J.S. Smith, secret. And it has to be done as one password. So when you create the password, you say J.S. Smith is the password you put. So it's So all of that has to be like, well, J.S. Smith is the username, and your whatever you put for the password will be : password or a secret. And then when the DJ is not running, you would fill out this information with the source password, and the source password is pretty much it will be under your settings. So if I will click settings, yeah. So it'd be actually let's go back on the. If I go back, it's not gonna show. No, I don't think it's going to show it, but yeah. So if you go under configurations and you hit settings or click settings, you will see when you log in control panel in your Softwarecast, you'll see your administrator password. That's what you use for that. Statics is just statics is just reports and listeners and logs and all that good stuff. So if you would click listeners, you would see an actual like who's tuned in, and you can see who's tuned in. If you hit report, this just gives you a report of all the listeners. Recent activity, listeners, user agents, countries, tracks. So it just gives you a list of different things and all that good stuff. And then, under configurations. Now, if you click on DJs, you can see you can create a DJ account. It's pretty simple. It's really pretty simple. And that's what would be under your live source condition. So when you click your DJ account, this then all you gotta do is just fill in the username, the password. That's what your password would be. Your username : password, and then confirm your password, your real name, your status, enabled. How many times you want to go live, if you want permissions, all that good stuff. And that'll be your password for when the RDJ is running. And the rest is just playlists and animations, but we'll go through that later. But I just want to give a quick overview of what the Softwarecast looks like that we use for satellite streaming servers. So then when you log out, yeah, you can actually create your playlists and all that good stuff, and create your radio station right from Softwarecast. All right, until next time. This is DJ Jeffrey Scott Johnson, CEO and CTO of Satellite Streaming Servers. This is just a little tutorial of the Softwarecast control panel. Hope you enjoy this little session. And other than that, take care. Until hugs and kisses. If you have any more future videos you like to let us know. But this is just a peek of what we offer for our server. And when you order hosting from satellitestreamingservers.net, this is what you will see when you log into your server and start your own internet radio station. But we have many different prices for the fit your needs. So make sure you log on today at www.satellitestreamingservers.net and choose a package to fit your needs. And you can always create an account with us. Create an account with us, and you can always open up a support ticket. Actually, let me bring that up. I'll just bring it up real fast. If you go to, but I don't want to take it there, so I'm just going to, if I just go edit. Oh, yeah. So I just want to take off this bit. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. So yeah, okay. So if you want to contact us anytime, day or night, if you just click on Get Support, you can open up any tickets you can. Stream sales, probably new stream sales right here. Or general inquiries towards the bottom. But yeah, let us know if you have any more questions. Give us a shout out. We'll be always happy to answer all your questions. And that's a little overview of what control panel we use. We use CentovaCast on a server, and for your future radio station, which will you be using when you log in to CentovaCast for your radio station. Till the next time, this is Jeffrey Scott Johnson, CEO, CTO of Satellite Streaming Servers.net. Take care, and till the next video that we will do, take care. Peace.